In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to my imported contacts in Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to take the contacts you've already brought into Mailerlite and send them a polished, professional email campaign from start to finish. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head over to the Campaigns section in the left-hand sidebar. This is where all of your email broadcasts live. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create Campaign and click it to start a brand new email. Next, Mailerlite will ask you to choose your campaign type and design your email. For most people, a regular campaign works perfectly for sending to imported contacts, but you'll also see options like A/B split and RSS-driven campaigns if you need them later. After you pick the campaign type, you'll choose which editor you want to work with. The drag and drop editor is the most beginner-friendly because you can visually arrange text, images, buttons, and social icons just by dragging them onto the canvas. If you prefer a more minimal look, you can use the rich text editor, and if you're comfortable with code, you can choose custom HTML. Take a few minutes to build out your email. Add your headline, body text, images, and any call to action buttons or links you want people to click. You can start from one of Mailerlite's templates or save your own layout as a template for future campaigns. Make sure your copy is clear and that the design matches your brand colors and style so your subscribers recognize you immediately. After that, you'll fill in the campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name so you can easily find it later in your dashboard. Then, write the subject line your subscribers will see in their inbox and add a short pre-header, the little line of preview text that appears next to the subject. Add your sender name and email address so people know who the email is coming from. Now it's time to choose your recipients. This is where your imported contacts come in. Select the group or segment where you save those imported contacts. As long as you organize them into a group during import, you can simply tick that group and Mailerlite will send the campaign to everyone in it. Before sending, always preview and test. Use the preview and test option and send a test email to yourself. Open it on both desktop and mobile if you can, and double-check links, images, and formatting. Once you're happy with everything, click Done Editing. You'll see a final review screen where you can confirm the subject, sender, content, and recipients. From here, you can send the email immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Mailerlite also allows time zone-based sending, so subscribers receive the email at an appropriate local time. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a Mailerlite campaign to your imported contacts.